show ya. You should me to call you when you turn me on.
Dip me underway. You can fill your mouth with flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Hello, guys, and welcome to our 2021 Fall Formal Living Room. So this year, guys, I decided to do a more traditional color, and the pop color is the burnt orange. I am loving looking at it standing on the staircase. It is very, very different for our area. But guys, I'm gonna sit back and let you enjoy this video. Please do leave any comments of things that you may want to know where it came from, and please do thumbs it up, and don't forget to share it. So guys, I will meet you back at the end. I would like to come in and say thank you so much for taking the time to come in to watch our video of our former living room. This is not the end of our fall home tour, guys. The next room that we will be doing a tour of will be our breakfast room. So yes, guys, we do have a breakfast room within our home. So that will be the next one, but there are many more rooms to go. So guys, please do like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up our video. Please do share it out, tell a neighbor, tell a friend. And you know what I always say at the end of my videos, I gotta go, but I will be back. But until the next time, guys, bye.
Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. Said I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like money. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around, too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, with me, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist.